Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be making the Python AI that you guys requested, and you will not need any API or paying. It's gonna be free, and I'll show you a demo of how it works. So right here, this is our website, and then you paste the link of a Wikipedia or any website, and then it will load. It will take some time. So as you can see, it has loaded, and it has gotten the information from the Wikipedia and summarized it right here, which is great. So we'll be making this. So first, open VS Code, and we'll need to set up a virtual environment so it won't conflict with our project. So click open the terminal, and then run python -m then AI, and then you click. So after we have created the virtual environment, we need to create the main.py, which will be outside of this folder, and then this file will be responsible for getting the data and then displaying it to our new our created website. So we need to import Streamlit, and then we need to import scrape, which will get the data from the websites. This is showing green, but don't worry about it. And then we need to install pipeline, so we can summarize the information we got from the website. And we need to, this code will be about this code will be the title of our website, which we're going to do AI website, and we're going to create a URL variable to get the website link, and then we need to create a summarizer variable, which is going to be initializing the summarization from the pipeline. Then we need to add a button. So if the button is clicked, it's going to say scraping website, and then we're going to get the result from website function. This function we imported, we're going to be making it in a new file. So we're going to create scrape.py, and this file will be responsible for getting the data from the websites and then sending it to the main.py so it can show it in the website. So in this file, we're going to be writing, we're going to need Selenium, WebDriver, and we'll need Chrome service. So before we continue, go down to my link and download the Chrome driver. I already downloaded it, and then you need to extract it and then go to the file, and you can see this. You'll see this Chrome driver application, and copy this file and then paste it right here. Then we can continue writing our code. Then we need to import time, and we need to import this VS4 so we can get the HTML content and then filter out the text elements like p tag, h1, and headers, and all of them. Then we need to create the function, which is scrape website. This will take the website argument, and it will have, so it can get the user's input from the main.py, and we're gonna print launching website so we can check if it works. Then we need to create a Chrome driver pass variable, which will be getting the Chrome driver application we downloaded, and we need to create options variable. This will make it run in headless mode, and this will overcome limited resource problems. We need to build the window size, create a driver variable, and store the WebDriver Chrome service will be service, and the Chrome driver pass and options will be options. We need to create a try. We need to get the website, then print. We'll get the HTML content, then we'll make it wait about 5 seconds for the sleep time, and we'll create a soup variable, which will be beautiful soup, and the HTML, and then the HTML parser. Tags we want to extract, which are going to be h1, h2, and p tag, because that's where mostly there is information in websites. And we need to create extracted variable, extracted text, and this will be a list. Then we'll need to loop over the tags to find them in the website using the soup that we imported right here. Then we'll need to loop through all of these tags so we can get the text of them. So, and we'll append them inside this list. Then we'll need to create a final variable, which will be stripping the text. And we'll return the final, and we need to replace the periods to period and space, so there's some space when it gets the information and sends it. Finally, we need to quit the driver. Now we're done with this file, so we can go back to the main.py. I made a mistake here. So after we get the data, which is a result, we need to check the result and try something with it, which is going to be checking the length of the result so it doesn't get too much and goes over 1024. Then we'll need to so this will only store or show the data that's only the result will be shown only until the 1024 text, so it will not show the whole, so that way it doesn't become a lot. Then we need to summarize the result. The max length will be about 150. The minimum will be about 30. And if there's something wrong, this will show an error. This p tag will show the result. And this will show the summarized result. So we're done. Now we can try it. But first, you will need the requirements, which are going to be on my GitHub. So go to the GitHub and you'll need to copy this. And then paste down here. Then once you're done with that, you need to activate your virtual environment. So we have an error So let's go back then. As you can see, the website is loading. We have another error, which is this one. So it has finally worked after fixing some errors. Now you can see websites like these. You can copy the link and paste them here, and then we can scrape the site. Another error. Let's try again. Hopefully it works this time. It's working. We just need to wait some time for it to get the information. As you can see, it has gotten the text until 1024s. That's why I stopped right here, because we don't want it getting all this information. So as you can see in the summary, it has gotten it right, and it's great. So thank you very much for watching, and make sure to subscribe. See you next time.